This video explains the unboxing and usage tutorial for the LH7P monitor. After receiving the monitor, please check if the packaging is intact and if all accessories are included. Mount the monitor to the camera hot shoe via the pan head kit. When installing the battery, press the battery lock located on the top of the monitor and insert the NPF battery. Otherwise, the battery may not install properly. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the camera's HDMI port and the other end to the HDMI in port, located on the bottom left of the monitor. Turn on the monitor by turning on the switch located on the top of the monitor. During the first boot up, the screen loading time may be longer, so please be patient. If you encounter the problem that the monitor does not display the camera image, please check if the HDMI cable is correctly connected to the HDMI in port of the monitor. Also, check if the monitor supports the resolution output by the camera. The LH7P monitor supports up to 4K 30p and 1080p 60p inputs. Please change the camera output resolution to auto or 1080p. If the monitor display does not fill the screen or the camera screen goes black, please turn off the camera's HDMI display settings to get a normal display. The resolution output from the camera's HDMI out does not affect the camera's recording specifications. Adjusting the resolution is for compatibility with the output device and does not affect the file quality. Tap the monitor screen to bring up the menu. If the touch screen does not respond, please check if the UI touch control is enabled. Click on Functions to access 15 monitoring features such as Focus Assist, Zebra, False Color, and Luma Waveforms. Click on buttons to set the functions corresponding to each shortcut key on the monitor. After binding the functions, press the corresponding shortcut keys on the monitor to quickly turn the functions on or off. Click on 3D LUT to load different LUT effects onto the screen. The monitor comes with 9 built-in LUTs. You can also import other LUT effects into the monitor using the included USB drive or a USB 2.0 drive with 64 GB or less, formatted in FAT32 or FAT. The import limit is 20 LUTs, and the LUT files must be in .cube format. Insert the USB drive into the monitor's USB port to start importing LUTs. For the import steps, please refer to the related tutorial videos. Press vertical extension, enabling the stretch leg mode, making everyone a long-legged person. The stretched image could be output to other devices via HDMI out, like output to streaming devices. The LH7P monitor can wirelessly control the camera. Click on Camera to enter the camera control connection interface. Select the supported connection method according to your camera model, and refer to the corresponding camera model's connection tutorial. Below is a list of camera models and connection methods supported by the LH7P. When the control menu appears at the bottom and top of the monitor screen, it means the connection is successful. You can freely adjust camera parameters and touch focus using the control menu on the monitor. This concludes the unboxing and usage tutorial for the LH7P monitor.